Hi, my name is Chistina Sparrock. I'm at SLU in Masters in Urban Studies. The reason why I founded the New York City Mental Health Collectives is based on my personal experiences of discrimination and bias, and in housing and education and healthcare, even in my family, the criminal justice system. We navigate through every system every single day. And do my advocacy, because I started, when I had an issue with the police department, I was first living with one of my friends, a former friend, and she had mental health issues herself, and her family didn't do anything about it. And then I joined with other organizations like National Alliance of Mental Illness, New York Lawyers for the Public Interest, Concerned Housing, tons of organizations. And from that's when I decided to form the New York City Mental Health Collective, because we had one common goal, is that we wanted to protect the people with mental health disabilities. I'm very grateful for Mandami because he's paying attention to the mental health crisis in New York City. What I hope for is that we focus more on saving lives as opposed to crisis. Prevention and intervention is extremely important. We need more respite centers, we need more clubhouses, we need more community-based organizations who have a track record in helping people with mental health crisis or mental health conditions. People with mental health conditions are left to fend for themselves because the system is broken. I'm hoping that he will bring more peers to the table, peers with lived experience in mental health, substance use, people who are unhoused, people who are just struggling every single day with mental health issues, because it impacts all of us, just not people who are diagnosed. It impacts everyone in New York City.